Hey guys, what's up? It's Bex and I'm back with another video. Today, we're gonna be doing some birthday makeup. So that way, yeah, I don't know. I look cute on my birthday. That's it, that's all I got. I don't know, brain fart. All right, let's get on in. First things first, we're gonna clip some hair back. All products will be linked in the description below. I will get affiliate. If you click on my affiliate links, I will get some pennies on the dollar. So if you feel like, I don't know, if you feel like giving me some pennies, it's the Farsali Gold Skin Mist. How was everybody's New Year's? How was everybody's Christmas? Was it good? Mine was nice and quiet, the way I like it and the way I needed it. My tattoo itches so bad. One of the palettes we're using, Jeffree Star Orgy and his Blood Sugar palette. It's been so long since I've sat down in front of you guys. Yeah, my Christmas was quiet and it was low key and I loved it. And I spent time with my friends. And then, yeah, I'm just getting ready for my birthday, which is exciting. I'm gonna be 38. I'm really excited to close out this year. I'm so done with this year. It's been the worst for dating. It's been the worst from my ex, my narcissistic ex, coming in and out of my life. Like, dude, like, just go away and leave me alone. Like, just go away. For real, for real. I think he's finally gone for good, though, like, out of my life, which is perfect. Came out a little bit darker than I wanted, but oh well. We're gonna go to dinner for my birthday and then go out dancing. Honestly, my close friends, and I wasn't even gonna celebrate my birthday this year because last year I got cheated on. So yeah, on my birthday, guys. So I didn't want to do anything, but my amazing friend Michelle was like, no girl, like, we're going and doing something. So super grateful for Michelle for that. And if you see me looking over, it's because I'm looking at my iPad of this look that I want to recreate. So I'm just looking over there at that. Yeah, I started my new job back in December and I'm loving it. I love everybody I work with. Everybody's great, wonderful. I couldn't ask for a better group of people, to be honest. I'm gonna put some on the lower lash here. Yeah, it's been a very long, trying year, but you know, I know 2025 is going to be a better year for me. I'm excited about all the new beginnings. For somebody that doesn't pay bills, he sure does have a lot to say, doesn't he? This guy has a lot to say. So yeah, we're gonna go dancing, which I'm excited about because your girl loves some dancing. Everybody keeps asking me what I want for my birthday, and I don't really know. I honestly don't know. I don't know what I want. I don't know what. I'm just honestly blessed to have a great group of friends that wants to celebrate my birthday with me. And that's honest what I want. What did you guys get for Christmas? Anything good? I'm so happy I finally got the Tom Ford Lost Cherry perfume. I'm obsessed with it. It smells so good, guys. I don't know what it is about that perfume, but it's pretty bomb. So it's more of a color. It's concentrated with the wing. I think this will be pretty because it'll really make the color of my eyes pop, I think. But yeah, I took a few months off of filming because I was just not in a good mental headspace and I was just dealing with a lot. So I'm back, y'all. About New Year's, what did you guys do for New Year's? What are your resolutions? For me, my resolution for sure, definitely working out more, putting my health first. Putting my health, putting myself first, just doing more of what makes me happy. And saving more. I need to be better with money. Because I want to buy another house and I want it to have a yard for the boys. So I need to really get down on that. So it looks like it's only this glitter. And it looks more like a wet gloss. It almost has this wet look to it. It's really pretty. I might do a little NYX glitter primer maybe to try and maybe I'll just do this with my finger or push it in to give more of a shimmer look. And we'll compare, let's compare one side to the other just to see with the glitter primer, without the glitter primer. Okay, this has the glitter primer and this doesn't. I don't know. I think I'm gonna need to get like more of a wet looking gloss. I think that's gonna have to be the goal because that's what it looks like. It's more wet looking. And then it looks like a lot of shimmer down on the bottom line as I get it all in my eye. What are some of your New Year's resolutions, y'all? I also want to get more steps in. I want to do like 10,000 steps a day. That looks good. My brows. And this noisy ass chair. I recently had a chemical peel and it was the best thing I've ever done in my life. My skin is glowing. It looks so great. Yeah, and yeah, I'm very happy. My skin was looking rough there for a few days because it's a chemical peel. So your skin heals. But it's so worth it because look at this. Look at how good this skin looks. Yeah, it looks good. And see how just eyebrows can make such a big difference in your makeup look? That's why it's so important to do your brows. Even if you don't do a lot to them, just a little something, something. Here comes the most stressful part of this whole look, the flipping liner. We'll get nice and close here with you guys. So she has in her eye look just a little bit right here. And then I'm just gonna place it and drag it. And what's nice is because this pink, we're really letting the pink do all the talking. We don't have to do much with the eyeliner, which is nice. All right, so here's the look up close. All right, let's do some white. Are ready for this big reveal? Oh, that's really pretty. That looks really pretty for sure. All right. I don't know why my eyes are itching so bad, but they are. Let's zoom it out and do full face. This looks really pretty. And I'll have to post the photo over here and you'll have to let me know what you guys think. Oh my gosh, my skin is looking so good. I don't even really want to cover it up, but I need to. Oh yeah, we're gonna go in with the Tier foundation. This cushion foundation is probably one of my favorites for sure. Definitely a 2024 product that's coming with me into 2025. I mean, like, look at that coverage. Can't beat that coverage. The only thing is I need to figure out how to get it into the folds of my nose. You can see where my skin is still kind of peeling from that peel, my chemical peel. See, it's like so hard to get in there. Whew. We're gonna use the P. Louise baking. I just wanna create a little warmth on the face. That's another goal for me in 2025 is to get rid of this thing. Have more of a defined neck shape. I really like how that, it's not really like a good seamless transition there. I don't know why. If I can get it with a different brush. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. You know, I love highlighter on my nose. All right, now for the lips. I think I'm gonna do more of a neutral look. It's always a good idea to line your lips. I know it's a step that a lot of people skip, but actually helps keep your lipstick from bleeding into your skin. So it actually has a use. And then I always fill my lips in because in case your lipstick wears off, you still have this bad boy. All right, let's back it on out and then give final thoughts. All All right, final thoughts, everybody. Thanks for making it this far into the video. I'm not really liking how the blush and bronzer turned out. I don't know if that's just because my skin from the chemical peel is still like, I don't know if that's why it's just looking kind of weird and patchy right now. And the foundation, this normally is my ride or die, but it's giving me cakey vibes this time. So I'm not really sure about that. I'm not really exactly a fan. I think I might try it one more time and then I might actually end up throwing it out if it's gonna continue to behave like this, because sis, like, yeah. And then like doing this weird thing right here. However, the eye look, let's zoom in and let's talk about that. So the eye look, I definitely think it is killing. I definitely think this is something I'm gonna wear for my birthday. It's just cute, it's subtle. I want to find more of a wet glitter look. So if you guys have any suggestions for a wet glitter eye gloss, I'm all ears, guys. Let me know, drop it in the comments below. What do you think of this look? Is it a yay, is it an nay, or is it something that you're gonna try? But yeah, so let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Yeah, I don't know why that tickled, and I don't like the way that looks. Oh my god, that tickled. Why did that tickle so much? It felt so weird. Ugh. Okay, stop, Nugget.